place, a new home for a while. Let me feel alive.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. Thank you for clicking on today's video and I hope you enjoy it. It is a fun one. I'm going to do a review of a brand. I absolutely love jewelry and it is one of my favorite brands at the minute, and I know you guys are going to love them as well. If you're new to my channel, I would love if you could hit the subscribe button and join along. I'll also link my Instagram down below. Today's video is a review video of an Ana Luisa jewelry. So I've worked with Ana Luisa quite a few times now on my channel and over on my socials, and they are such a lovely brand. Like, I absolutely love communicating with them and talking, and they're always so open and always so like flexible and accommodating to working with me, and it's just been amazing. So if you don't know about them, they are a jewelry brand based over in New York. All of their products are sustainable and really good for the environment. A lot of natural products, and it's just top quality. I have had these pieces now for probably a good couple months, maybe going on 6 months, some of them, but I really wanted to show you guys my collection because it's literally all I wear. I do get a few questions like, where'd you get this necklace, or where'd you get these earrings? And 9 out of 10 it'll probably be from Ana Luisa. So I wanted to just kind of throw it all together in one video and show you my whole collection. I'll leave the links below as well if you want to check out their website or kind of see what other things they have. So I'm just going to jump on into today's video and show you guys my collection.
So I think I've found the perfect gold hoops. I love the size of these, and they're also quite heavy as well, so they're really nice quality to wear. I just love how these ones look. I'm always wearing these, and they're also really shiny as well, so they're so pretty. And up next is this gorgeous ring. It is adjustable back, so you can wear it on any finger, and I just think it's so pretty and dainty. And it's a really good piece for layering with other rings. So these are some of my most recent pieces of jewelry from Ana Luisa. I love these earrings because you can actually take the little hoop out and wear them separate. So you can wear it as the one hoop, or you can have them doubled. So I love how versatile these are, and they're just so nice. And if you can tell, I love a hoop, so these are the small Paris hoops. These are just perfect everyday wear. So I also got another little ring which you can wear on any finger, and it's perfect for layering with the other ring. Moving over to necklaces, the chain on this is so heavy and really expensive feeling. I also love this Joy necklace, which is a little key and lock. I've worn these pieces quite a lot of times now, and they are still in amazing condition. They're so shiny, and I also love layering them. And I love how this bracelet sits flat onto the skin, and it has a little A on the clasp. I just think those details are so nice.
I know I'll be okay, 'cause I found my way.
In this little box, and it just says thank you in the middle, and then tells you a bit about the company as well. So the jewelry comes in these little fabric pouches. They're just so cute and easy to store, so I love putting my jewelry back in these, and then they take up no space at all when I'm storing them. These little pouches are so handy. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for working with me again and collaborating. Like, I am obsessed with everything, and I love getting to show off really, really good quality pieces of jewelry as well. So I feel so lucky, so thank you so much. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!